Guys, you ready to make a volcano? We sure she want to watch us? Yeah, okay, right there, started, Mommy, right?
Yep. So we need a color mixing pot strip.
Yep, I got it.
That's that. We need Model Magic, a paintbrush. We don't have a paintbrush. You gotta go get a paintbrush. You got some. Go get some.
I'll get one.
Oh, Daddy said he'll get one. We're gonna need a plastic volcano tube.
Oh, you got it? Good job.
Where's the beaker? Oh. A beaker. Fizzy tablets.
I don't know what it
You know where your paintbrushes are at. Stop playing.
Fizzy tablets.
Stop acting like that. You go get your paintbrush, babe.
Color inks.
You know where your painting stuff at. You just gotta slow down
Disposable
and think,
plate.
Slow down and
Paper
think, babe.
towels. And then we will need warm water, but we're not there yet.
Mm.
Oh, wait. Oh. Hold on. After these. Okay, Evey got her paintbrush. Alright, now we gotta listen to what this says. It says, volcanoes are an awesome example of how nature adds color to the earth.
What?
Whoa, really?
Hot gases deep inside the earth build up and become pressurized. The gases find a hole that leads to the surface.
What?
Pay attention.
Put that stuff down, please, and listen.
The gases find a hole that leads to the surface to escape. When the gases escape, they bring molten rocks and minerals, which is also known as lava, along for the ride. Let's simulate how they do that by making our own tiny version of a colorful volcano using fizzy tabs and water to create the gas. The fizzy tabs contain both an acid, like vinegar, and a base, like baking soda, which quickly react to produce lots of carbon dioxide gas. But the acid and base cannot touch each other until water dissolves the tablet and allows them to unite.
I don't care.
Well, if you don't care, then you ain't going to be
shouldn't
able
do
to
it.
know how to make a volcano.
Al, we shouldn't do it if you don't care. This is learning. If you don't want to learn, if you don't care to learn, then we shouldn't do this. We should put it up another time until you want to.
How to do it?
You want to what?
Make a volcano.
Okay.
Miracle. You do miracle, Daddy.
Alright, so you need to put the molding, put this around here, alright?
Okay. Mommy, that's enough.
Yeah, that's really good. Alright. We need some water so you can decorate your volcano.
We don't have some water though.
Here, I'll help mold this one.
You need water? What kind of water?
Just regular water for her
Yeah.
paintbrush.
Yeah. I got the push right here. Hey, Mommy, feel this. Don't feel this.
It's new, huh?
It looks like makeup, right?
Mika.
I do it with my lipstick.
No, we don't do no lipstick.
I did it.
Alright. There's our volcano. You want to color it?
I'm sad.
Alright.
The girl,
What?
you do not put on no lipstick.
I didn't hit it.
No, ain't no kidding. Don't be playing like that.
I didn't hit it.
No, don't kid like that. Don't pretend like that.
But I didn't
Because
hit
you don't
it.
need to do it.
But I didn't hit it.
I heard you the first 30 times you
Blah,
said it.
blah, blah, blah.
Alright, what colors you want to use? Orange?
Yeah.
Mama shut us up.
It always. always, like always, just, or that's always. That's right?
Is there any other colors you want to use? Or you can
Just
start with
that.
Okay. Guess you can kind of make it more like a volcano looking if you had more mold. But that's okay.
Mommy, I get it on me though.
That's fine.
You getting it on yourself? It's okay. It'll run itself.
I not.
Oh.
I don't tell you real good myself. I think I need some more, right?
Can you need to put more in there, or you just need to dip your paintbrush?
I need more. Mommy, are you helping me?
I'm putting more color in here.
Doing a nice job. Let me hold it.
That what you're supposed to do it by yourself. Uh-oh.
You want to do it by yourself?
I need some more always. Do. I can't. Yeah.
It looks more like yellow when you put it on the actual volcano, huh?
Yeah.
White.
I know. I get paper. I need some more always.
They got big old volcano fingers.
I know.
He got a volcano finger. Looks like he slammed it in the door, huh? He might need to go to the hospital. We might have to stop.
You had an owie. I painted you owie.
You painted my owie.
Yeah, did you feel it?
Yeah. Oh. I've never heard you say owie before.
I don't care. I get out of
Why
here.
you don't care about stuff?
Ev, don't paint his finger on purpose.
I not.
Now his finger's stuck. We really are gonna have to go to the hospital.
Her face.
Alright. Is it done? You done painting it? Or you wanna add some more color?
That's it.
Okay.
I painted that.
Okay, now we need to add 2 fizzy tubs into the plastic volcano tube.
Can I paint paper?
Now we'll need a...
I'll paint
here.
this.
It says 2 fizzy tabs.
Alright. Now we need hot water or warm water. Or you want to do the fizzy tabs?
Daddy, what? I got the owie.
Yeah, you do the fizzy tabs because I can't get it off.
Oh no! Now my finger did. Help me!
Help me.
Yeah.
Help!
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 Help, Daddy.
Why you put your finger so far in there?
I don't
And
know.
it's wet, like
Ah!
you put your finger all the way in there. That's not okay. Why did you do that?
Cause you did it.
I did not.
Uh-oh, his finger stuck.
Kill
I can't.
Me either. Yeah, it's okay.
Alright, then lick it.
No.
Alright, did you put the fizzy tabs in there? Oh, no, because Evie's finger was in it.
Two. Go. I'll put it in here. Into one.
And you were gonna add the slowly add the water
Daddy.
into the plastic volcano tube until it erupts.
More.
All the way until it erupts. Oh, look, it's erupting.
Erupting.
Ah!
Lava.
That's it.
Wait till it stops, then you can add more. Using the pipette, it says.
That's cool.
Volcano, run! Run! Ah, it's a volcano. Where's the pipette? No, we're gonna use the pipette to add more. Here's, but it's still erupting right now. You don't need to add it right now. Wait till it's done erupting.
Babe. Take your hand off.
And that was my real volcano, right? A real lava, right?
Mm-hmm.
How about we had the dinosaurs for the
Dinosaurs?
yeah, for
That's
the
smart.
city.
Oh,
Because
across
in
the
lava.
city.
'Cause- and remember I didn't watch that, but I would have dinosaurs everywhere with the volcano, but with the puppy toes.
What? Really?
You put them to whip you.
No.
No.
Where they live?
You can
You
add
saw
some
the
more.
Paw
if you
Patrol
want.
don't live there?
I'm got some more either.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, don't stick it all the way in. You're just gonna put it on top like that.
One whoopie. It's a whoopie. What another whoopie?
Add a little more. Don't stick it in. Just put it on top. There you go.
Is it a whoopie?
So those are all the gases.
I know, can't pick it up.
Don't pick it up, babe.
Why?
Because you're gonna get messy.
I know. Wow, that looks like real lava. You need more.
Yeah, go ahead. So you can add it like 2 or 3 more times.
It's a whoopie. No wobble coming out. Thank you.
Maybe we'll pour some more in there.
Yeah. I
Sizzle, sizzle, pop, pop, boom, boom.
want to do that first. Any more?
Creating new land. What you want to name the land?
Dinosaur City.
I
Not-
like that.
Not Eveyville.
Dinosaur Everyville.
Dinosaur Eveyville.
Okay, that's dope.
Any more?
You could try a little more. I
How
don't know
about
if it's
Evey
gonna-
Sword Town?
Yeah.
I think you've added as many as you can. But you can keep adding if you want.
It's still floating.
Ah, look at it! Blues, blues, blues.
I know the boy there.
Mm-hmm.
They were run away. It couldn't melt it. It melted.
Oh, yeah. What color is it changing to? Wait, what color does it look like?
Pink.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Where's the yellow make pink?
Not.
We can make it erupt again using apple cider vinegar and baking soda.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
No, you're not. That's not baking soda and apple cider vinegar.
I know.
No, you didn't.
I
What
know.
is it?
And then we can make the lava purple or blue if we wanted to.
Ooh. Or these.
Yeah, any of those colors.
Oh, but not white, right?
Could. There's a
Can
white.
we have some more either?
Sure, go ahead.
Can we stop? These can we stop?
You know when to stop.
There's your experiment.
Stop. I stop?
I don't think it's gonna erupt anymore.
I need more water.
So what are those representing when it comes out? Or what is it called when it comes out?
Volcano.
But what is this red stuff called?
Lava.
Lava, yeah.
I need more water.
What does lava make?
Pink. Where?
Say it. Yeah, you just said it. What does it make?
Pink.
No.
The-
Lava makes land. Earth.
I think you need some more water there, right?
Sure, go ahead. So the lava is made of really, really hot rocks. So when it comes out, well, rocks and minerals, and then when it comes out, it'll get cool, yeah, and then it turns into rocks and land that Daddy's talking about.
And can I put some more?
Yeah, you can put it all in there if you want.
It ain't gonna bubble no more though.
I know.
Okay.
We'll have to do the next experiment to make a bubble. Again. Alright, well tell everybody what you just did.
What did you create?
Guys, I made slime in the volcano.
Volcano!
What is the slime called?
Sticky slime.
Sticky slime.
Oh, a polymer. Good job.
Alright. Say thanks for watching!
Baking water.